Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I will be showing you on how to trade Fibonacci retracement. Maybe you are in an uptrend like this, maybe you are in an uptrend or in a downtrend. So if you are in a uptrend like this, you are going to be looking for a buy trade. If you are in a downtrend like this, you are going to be looking for a sell trade. So I will be explaining, and I will be explaining in this video with proper trading confirmation. So to get started, maybe we are in an uptrend like this, like this. So how do we use Fibonacci retracement at this point? First, we have a break of structure right here which creates BOS. Second, we have a break of structure here which creates BOS. So right here you have to wait for the market to reverse. So let's use Fibonacci retracement here at the last low and the last high. That is where you are going to target. Maybe you are using 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame to trade your continuation. It depends on the time frame you are using to enter the market. So let's put our we are trading bullish trend, which is uptrend. So here let's put our Fibonacci retracement from the last low to the higher high right here. So this 0.5 and 0.618 is our golden zone. Is our golden zone where you have interest to sell the market. So after you have get your golden zone right here, wait for the market to reverse back into your golden zone like this, to reverse into your golden zone. For proper confirmation and not to use Fibonacci retracement alone, if you are already in trading and you are able to identify your fair value gap right here, you are going to, in this within this 0.5 to 0.618, you are going to identify your fair value gap within this space. Below this 0.18, you are going to get your order block. Maybe you are kind of someone to get order block is very hard for you. So with Fibonacci retracement, you will be able to identify your fair value gap and order block below the 0.18 for valid entry. So after waiting for your trade to reverse into 0.18, just take trade and set your stop loss. Maybe set your stop loss above the order, below the order block right here, maybe on 0.786. just set your stop loss here and your take profit and the last higher high. So let the trade play out and do its thing normally. So after the trade, here go, and so on a live chart I'm going to be showing you sample on a live chart right here. Let's delete this. Right here, I'm going to show you sample. Here we are on a downtrend. Here we are on a downtrend. You can firstly, when you enter the market, identify your higher high and lower low. Identify your higher high, your lower low, higher low, and lower low. After identify your lower low, this break structure right here, which creates BOS, break of structure. So you have to wait for the market to reverse back into your break of structure. The market will reverse back into the break of structure. That is when you are going to be using your Fibonacci retracement. So after the market have entered into our break of structure again, so let's use Fibonacci retracement right here. Place your at the lower high right here. Where is our last low? This is our last low right here. Our last low. This is our last low right here. This is our last low right here, because we have not traded this we have not traded this market. We have not even, let's think, we have not even see this coming. So after our trade enter the break of structure, that is when you need Fibonacci retracement. So Fibonacci, let's Fibonacci comes in now, and your lower high, from your lower high here down to your last low, which is this is our last low, yeah, last low. So we got our golden zone right here. Our golden zone 0.618 to 0.05. We got our golden zone right here. So after getting our golden zone right here, I told you guys that within 0.18 and 0.5, you are going to identify something called your fair value gap. If you know how to identify your fair value gap, you will know this is your fair value gap right here. This is your fair value gap right here. So, and the second confirmation here is you have a order block right here. So as you can see, once the market touch our 0.168 right here, I told you guys to set your stop loss. Maybe you are trading on the uptrend or downtrend. Place your stop loss maybe above or below the order block right here. We are placing our stop loss right here. Enter from our 0.18 Fibonacci retracement right here, and stop loss above our, so you take profit at the last lower low right here. So with this Fibonacci retrace strategy to trade on continuation based on your account, you're going to be making massive profits by using this strategy. So practice with your demo account, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. See you in the next video. Happy trading.